The topic of what I'm going to talk about started a year ago. I started a writing work linked to the climate change, and I presented to a contest of an organization called San Patricio. Luckily for me, I won, and the prize was to spend a weekend in Madrid, in the congress of this organization mentioned before. So the fact is that when I was there, I saw all those projects of the other winners, and somehow I realized how important this topic is, the topic of the climate change. For 2.5 million years, the Earth's climate has fluctuated, cycling from ice ages to warmer periods. But in the last century, the planet's temperature has risen unusually fast. Scientists believe it's human activity that is driving the temperatures up, a process known as global warming. Ever since the Industrial Revolution began, factories, power plants, and cars have burned fossil fuels such as oil and coal, releasing huge amounts of carbon dioxide and other gases into the atmosphere. These greenhouse gases trap heat near the Earth through a naturally occurring process called the greenhouse effect. Meanwhile, readings taken from ice cores show that the greenhouse gases carbon dioxide and methane have hit their highest levels in the past 400,000 years. Researchers predict that temperatures will increase about 2 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit by the end of the century. What is less certain is what rising temperatures mean for the planet. Some climate models predict sharp changes. Others forecast rising sea levels which could flood coastal areas around the world. Although much remains to be learned about the global warming, many organizations advocate cutting greenhouse gas emissions to reduce the impact of global warming. Consumers can help by saving energy around the house, and these simple changes may help keep the Earth cooler in the future.